There's actual blood on here, see?
Alright, you guys, we are going to decorate for Halloween, but first well, not tonight. First, we are going to make some marquee letters, and they're gonna say, Boo! I'm gonna mount them on our porch in front of, like, above the porch swing. And then we're gonna do some other fun stuff. We're gonna stuff June like a scarecrow and have her live on the front porch for the whole month of October. Anyways, let's get rolling on this.
Let's get rolling on this.
So we have all of our
How do you spell dad?
B-O-O. And now we are cutting out the strips to go around the outside and then cutting them 3 inches wide. Okay, dad is D-A-D. Cool?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I cut myself.
Well, then you did?
Just a little bit though.
Hank?
It's just a little cut. It's fine.
Okay, go get, don't wipe it on your pants. Go get it.
It's fine, Mom.
Okay, we cut out our B-O-O, and then we have like our side pieces. This is for the side of the B, that's for the inside little area there. And then we have all these pieces to kind of
My foot's right here.
tape a couple together. There's June's foot taped together to make one go all the way around and make those just one piece.
I'm glad to be an American, because at least I know I'm free.
That's awesome, June.
I made a flag.
We're tuckered out.
Love it. Hank's tuckered out. It's like 9 o'clock, so
We're gonna turn on our show and go to bed.
Jordan took a solo trip to Woodby. The kids and I stayed home, and we're just doing our thing. Just the 4 of us. So
That's fun.
anyways, we'll check back tomorrow and glue those sides on and add the light bulbs. Day 2 of the boo sign. First I'm gonna measure out the bulbs, poke holes, and do the sides. Please ask your pet, would
Anna.
an idiot do this? And then if they would, don't do that thing
We did these edges, you
that they
dork.
would do.
Anna, go look at the one downstairs. I just looked at it. This part is all taped.
Okay.
Did you take my tape away?
Oh, sorry, I'll bring it right back.
No,
It's fine, that's the best you can do.
I can't do any better.
On to project number 2 for our spooky Halloween. Actually, it's not gonna be spooky, but I am gonna try and make some fake lightning clouds for our front porch for Halloween. And I wanna finish it before the kids get home because I think they're gonna love it. I can't wait. Got that cut out. Now I'm gonna separate all these on here. Gonna scatter them around, tape them, and then I'm gonna start gluing this polyfill around it to make it like poofy clouds. And I'm gonna use this spray adhesive. Okay, I have these all taped on. Hopefully I placed them right. Only time will tell. Now I'm going to spray glue those little puffer polyfills all around them. So I got the base layer glued on here, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna put clumps around these lights. No more, huh, Heath?
Yeah.
No more. Okay, here it is. Is that one your favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool, Heath. Love it. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.
You're awesome.
Yeah. Hey guys, can I help you?
I got it.
You guys have the, are you guys gonna get the Halloween stuff down? Yeah, come on.
Hank, you're on camera right now, so put some clothes on.
Oh, I am trapped.
Blur Hank out.
Yeah, we'll blur him out with these phones.
Do you want to go? Which one?
Okay, so Mom and Dad are putting up the lightning strikes.
I can't wait to plug it in.
Yeah, this will be really epic.
The moisture might pull this stuff down. Yeah.
Here?
Thanks, June.
It looks real.
That's because it is real. Mom made that.
It just looks so realistic.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
We're gonna decorate tonight for Halloween. I gotta hang up my boo letters. Yeah.
Come on. Boo, lettuce. Boo, give me that. Whoa. That's fluffy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that guy's missing some hands and
Somebody
feet.
died.
Junie, should we hang up these back?
Yeah. Listen to this.
I'm ready to stick.
Me on the toilet in the middle of the night. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Mom.
better hang out the witches' hats.
That's what I've been saying for 45 minutes.
I'll turn on Bluey. Somebody locked us out. Jim, I already checked. No one locked us out.
Good idea. Get rid of them.
Oh yeah, there's no way we're all gonna be able to stand on this tiny little deck.
He's looking out the window. He's like, Mama.
Decorations. Did that scare you?
A little bit.
Oh my god!
What'd you do? Are you okay?
I legit just fell off the couch. I never fall, but I. No, don't. Ah.
That sounded
Not
like
funny.
a bug hitting the ground.